Welcome back to my channel, guys. So one of the questions people ask me is, how do I open a domiciliary account? So what's the domiciliary account? The domiciliary account is an account where you actually deposit funds that are different from the major currency they use in your country. For example, you are in Nigeria, but you open an account with a bank and you receive strictly dollars there, or you open another account and what you get there is pounds or euro. So it depends on you and whatever you want to use it for. In my own case, I'm a YouTuber, I'm a blogger, and I also work for some NGOs in the United States of America. So they pay my funds in dollars, and as such, I need a domiciliary account to actually receive my funds. So also, if you are a traveler, you are the type of person that travels a lot, or you would like to have a vacation, leave your country and all. Instead of carrying cash up and down, you can actually open a domiciliary account, get the debit card that it comes with, and use it for your shopping when you get abroad. Yeah, it is usually either in Visa or MasterCard. So whichever card they give to you, you can use it to pay, make payments abroad, withdraw from ATM. So even if you are in a country where they use a currency that is different from dollar, once you insert your card, it debits you and gives you their local currency. So those are some of the benefits of a domiciliary account. The question we are facing today is, how do you open a domiciliary account? So I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how you can open a domiciliary account here in Nigeria. Yeah, so to open a domiciliary account in Nigeria, the first thing you have to do, there are about how many stages? About 5 stages. So the first thing you have to do is visit the bank. So when you go to a bank, you tell them that the bank must have an international license, international banking license. So you demand that you would want to like to open a domiciliary account. They give you a form and you fill. But it doesn't end there. Some banks, just like UBA, like GTBank, they would actually give you some other forms that you should get some referees. But I think the government is trying to phase out all those referees because they are not really useful. So they might give you some forms, like 2 forms, to get referees, people using domiciliary account to refer you, and then you open those accounts. So then another thing is you have to gather your docs. Sometimes you don't have to fill it right there. You have to go home and gather your documents, and after that you fill the forms, the initial deposit. In some cases, some banks ask for initial deposit, and in some cases some don't ask for it. Like Webman Bank does not ask for initial deposit. UBA would ask you for $100 or $50 depending on how powerful you want the account to be. Zenith Bank does not necessarily need to ask you for initial deposit, but sometimes they may also ask for $100. But Wema Bank doesn't ask for $100. And one of the good parts of Wema Bank is that they have an app they call Alert. So with Alert, you can stay in your house, register an account, get your domiciliary account, your dollar account, and all. And that thing is Providus Bank. You don't need to go to the bank to open an account with them, a domiciliary account. All you have to do is pick up your phone, sign up, register, fill your form, and they will link you up with an account manager. The account manager will set up your account for you, and you don't need to even deposit $1 into the account. It starts operating and you can start receiving funds. So then the last part is that you wait for approval. After filling your forms, you go back to the bank and wait for approval, or you use Providus Bank. Providus Bank creates your account through an account officer, maybe on WhatsApp. Wait for a day, they give you your account number and it starts operating. You don't need initial deposit to actually start running the account. So there are some banks that I recommend. Like I said earlier, I use UBA. Now you can also use Zenith Bank, you can use GTB. Providus Bank, it is zero stress. Then which other one? Alert with what they call it, Wema Bank. It's a zero stress bank also. You can download the app, start using. So for the last part of it is, there are some documents that you need. Number 1 is national identity number, like NIN. Those are the documents they could ask from you. NIN, driver's license or passport. Then you need a proof of address, which is utility bill, rent agreement. Then sometimes they ask for employment proof, employment letter, or income proof. In some cases, they will ask you to just fill a form and you are good to go. So lastly, I would like to state this, that there are some applications you can actually download that can also help you make this payment, receive funds and all. Apps like Gray, apps like Skrill, Payoneer and Co. But they have charges, and the charges might be much. For example, if you download Payoneer, I can tell you this, unless you earn in thousands of dollars, that's when you're going to enjoy Payoneer, because for any incoming transaction, there is a high chance they will charge you some percentage, and in some cases, when the money is even low, they charge you $20 to $30, and that's a loss. So Skrill charges you about 10,000 naira per time. So unless you want to withdraw through cryptocurrency. Another thing is, if you have a crypto account like Bybit, you can also use their MasterCard to make your international transactions, and you are good to go. So I always advise people to use commercial banks, and if you have access to Providus Bank, you can also use Providus Bank, you know. So that's all for today. If you have any question, please drop them in the comment section. If you need account details and phone number of an account officer with Providus Bank, please drop a comment. I would recommend someone for you. Open an account and start transacting. Thanks for watching. If this is your first time watching our videos, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.